Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul that I have done. There is only like a couple of items, but you know, Sephora's expensive, and I asked Instagram what they wanted to see and they said they would like to see a Sephora haul. So let's just jump straight into the video and see what I bought. So the first thing that I bought is the Tarte double-ended eyeliner. I got recommended this, oh I didn't get recommended it, but a girl on TikTok actually recommended it. She used to work at Sephora. She said that it is one of the best eyeliners ever, so I bought it. So that's what it looks like out of the packaging. So you've got your pencil liner on this end, and then on the other end you've got your liquid liner, which is just one of those normal liquid liners. So apparently it's really handy and it's really good, so I got this. I'll look up how much each item actually cost me. So this eyeliner is actually $35 from Sephora, so it's a little bit expensive, but you know, quality. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Sephora is I got the Fenty Beauty the next thing that I got from Sephora was the Fenty Beauty Killawat Double Duo highlighter highlighter duo. That's what the packaging looks like. Fenty Beauty, oh, it's upside down. And then inside you've got the double. I'm actually wearing this one at the moment because I wanted to play with it before I filmed this video. And no, I have not filmed myself doing this video because my camera has actually just charged, so I'm so sorry guys. If you want to see a tutorial, I don't have it. I'll do one day. Yeah, so I got this. It looks really nice on the skin, if you can see it. Oh, well, there it is. It's nice. It's subtle. This was $57 from Sephora. So again, quite expensive. So next I got the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronze. This is in the shade Light, because I use the same. The thing is, I bought all this stuff so I could have more stuff to play around with for you guys, because I've noticed that I do use the exact same products every single video and that's kind of boring, so I thought I'd switch it up. So that's the back of it. That's the front of it. It's actually a lot thinner than I expected. Like, you really don't get much product for how much it was, but that's the color. It's quite nice. Again, I'm wearing it. I have played with a few of these things because I just wanted to test them out and see how they look on the skin, and so far so good. Yeah, you really don't get much. Like, it's a lot thinner than I expected when I was ordering it. That retails for $41 at Sephora, so again, pricey. What do you expect from Huda Beauty? Then I got the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I have seen a fair few influencers using this, so I thought I'd get my hand on it. I got this in blend 1.3. I don't know if it's going to be the same color as my skin. I have bought it online. Again, I'm so terrible at matching my foundations in general, but that's kind of cool. And then that's the back of it. Oh no, that's the back, and then that's the front, and it like comes out in a little. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to. So I got that because I've heard some good things. Next I got the Sephora brand Outrageous Plump Gloss. I put this on my Instagram and everyone was asking me about it. This retails for $21 and it doesn't make your lips burn. It is, put it on because it actually feels really nice. Kind of makes your lips a little bit cold, but it doesn't make them, it doesn't make them burn. It doesn't make them swell too much. It does swell them up a little bit. It's just a nice swelling though. It like gives you the effect that you have got lip filler, and because I need to get mine topped up, I was like, I'm gonna buy some until isolation's over. So yeah, $21 for this. It is a Sephora brand, so it's by Sephora itself, and it's really good. This is in the shade 01, and I know you can get another one which is 02, and it's more like a nudie color. It's XXL Nude, I think it's called. So yeah. And then I bought 3 foundations because as I said, I use the same foundations, and I've like wanted these ones for ages. So I was like, I'm sad in isolation. I'm gonna spend the last like $300 that I have. So I got the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation because I've heard so many good things about this. And I was like, I want to jump on the bandwagon, and here we are. There we go. Got it. So look how pretty it looks. It's like a little expensive jar of life. This is in 12 Ivory. This retail, oh, don't tell your math me. Okay, so the Bounce Foundation is $64 from Sephora because I forgot to tell you guys what color price that was. And then the Remarkable Foundation is $79 at Sephora as well. God, I spent a lot of money and I didn't even realize it. Oopsies. Okay, Okay, so I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye pro pencil eyeshadow primer and color corrector, so you put it under your brows. A lot of people that I've seen use it just put it under their brows. They don't actually use it over their whole lid. They just use it as more of a highlighter. It's a lot smaller than I thought. So is everything. Literally everything that I bought is a lot smaller than I was actually expecting it, apart from the next one that I've got, because I've looked at it multiple times and just never ended up buying it. But this, for what you get, is actually quite tiny. But that's kind of the color of it, and I'm just going to use it to highlight my brows. Kind of looks like a claw. So for this tiny little pencil, which probably won't get heaps of use out of, $33. But I wanted it. Oh, wheel. Lastly, I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. This is the, I think this is just the original one. This isn't the other one. I got this in 1WO. I think it's a bit too light for me. I am wearing it at the moment though, so it kind of, yeah, I think it's a good shade. But this is what it looks like, and it's also a dewy foundation, which is what I was kind of going for, because I like dewy foundation. $59 actually, so that's not too bad. In Maya it's $64, but I got it from Sephora, which was $59, so that's fine. A little bit cheaper, which is great. I have heard so many good things about this, but then I also have a friend who's like, nah, I don't like it. And I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do, so I just bought it anyway. But I'm actually liking how it's sitting on the skin. It doesn't oxidize, so I'm kind of happy with that. If you guys want me to do a first impressions on everything that I got, I'm more than happy to. I didn't put all of them on my face today. I only used a couple of things because they were just sitting there, and I was like, I would love to try those. So I did. But yeah, as I said, I only got a couple of things, but you guys told me you wanted to see a Sephora haul, so this is my Sephora haul. I ended up spending like $340 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, on 8 items. So that's as much of a haul as I can kind of do with my budget at the moment, and I probably shouldn't have even spent that much money. If you guys like these sort of videos, I will spend the money to do some hauls for you guys. Just leave recommendations of really what you like. But that completes today's video. As I said, it was only a small haul, but that's what I have bought from Sephora last week. I also got some face paints, but they weren't from Sephora, but we can do another video on that. Anyway, this is the Anyway guys, that completes today's video. So if you do like these sort of videos where I do hauls, then I'm more than happy to do more. Just leave a comment down below if you like it. I don't have a massive budget at the moment, but you know, anything for the fans. Let me know what you want to see, what you want me to buy, what you want me to do a haul of, if you want me to do first impressions, try-ons, whatever it may be. Just leave comments down below about what you guys want to see on my channel. If you want to join my little army, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!